So hi my dear students. So welcome to my lecture, today's lecture. So basic mathematics part 9, and I'm going to continue the same algebra part. In previous lecture what we studied the basic concept of algebra. In that we studied about coefficient, degree and types of algebraic expressions. Remember, many students have done mistake in degree, so I will explain this degree concept again. Here, डिग्री ऑफ द algebraic एक्सप्रेशन. तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, पहले आपको डिग्री मतलब समझ में आना चाहिए. यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस. डिग्री मीन्स द हाइएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल. वंस अगेन आई रिपीट दिस, द हाइएस्ट पावर of the variable in algebraic expression. In any algebraic expression you can take one example like 3x raised to 100 minus 5y raised to 50 plus 100. Okay, in this is one variable, x is one variable, y is another variable. So what is the highest power here? Power means this one, exponent. So here 100 is there, here 50 is there. So you cannot write 150. We have to write only one degree, any one number, that is highest power of the variable. See here, यहाँ पे तो देखो कोएफिशिएंट 3 है, यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट -5 है. This is constant one. But here 100, this is the highest power in the algebraic. This is the algebraic expression. So this is degree. So here degree is 100. I hope you understood this right now. So 3x raised to 100 minus 5y raised to 50 plus 100 is there. So this is coefficient of x, minus 5 is the coefficient of y raised to 50, and this is the constant one. So highest power is 100. So that the degree of this algebraic expression is 100. Okay now? So then shall we go for the next topic? Yes. Some more types are there. So like algebraic expression and unlike terms in the algebraic expression. Like and unlike terms. We can say like and unlike terms. So what are the meaning of these like terms and unlike terms? Here, first of all, we have to revise that concept we studied, the same concept we studied in fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. In fractions, what we studied? Like means denominator should be same. But here also same thing. Like means variables and constant means powers. Variables, you can take any variable like x raised to 50, and here the same variable x raised to 25. Okay, variables and power should be same, then only we can say like terms. But here these two are not same, so they are not like, these are unlike. They are called unlike terms. Why I am explaining this? Because next we are going for operations. Operations means addition, subtraction, right? Multiplication and division. In addition and subtraction, first we have to identify like fractions. If they are like, then only we can add and subtract the fractions. See, these two are not added and these two are not subtracted. Like see here 3x square minus 5x square and 3 by 2 x square. These are, see here, variable same, x is there, and power also same, right? Coefficient may be anything. We don't worry about the coefficient. Here 3 is there, here minus 5 is there, here 3 by 2 is there, right now? So we cannot consider coefficient, we'll consider the variables and their powers. Here variables are same, powers are also same. Therefore these three are called like terms. I hope you understood this. Yes, then I will go for the next one, unlike terms. Already explained, you see here, unlike terms means you can take the powers, any powers, like 3xy minus 5x square y. You may think sir, variable same, x and x, here y and y, but here see, the power of x is 1, here power of x is 2. Then these two are unlike fractions. Sorry, unlike algebraic expressions. See, algebraic expressions, unlike algebraic expressions. I hope all students have understood this. Then, so you just take some examples and divide them or classify them like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, then next topic, operations on algebraic expression. Dear students, so now we will go for the operations on algebraic expressions. So we know that total 4 operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now we will study 2 operations, addition and subtraction at a time. Why I am writing here addition and subtraction at a time? Because the rules for addition and subtraction are same here. So what are the common rules? We know that common rules: to add any algebraic expression, we should have like terms. Means if like terms are there, then only we can add and subtract the algebraic expression. Especially, so while adding algebraic expressions, we need to add coefficients. Add or subtract coefficient and keep powers as it is. Remember, we need to add coefficients, only coefficients, add or subtract coefficients and keep powers as it is, same. ओनली कोएफिशिएंट्स को ऐड करना है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, बाकी पावर एज इट इज रहेगा, यानी एक्सपोनेंट एज इट इज रहेगा. एग्जांपल देखो, आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल. लेट मी टेक वन एग्जांपल एंड सॉल्व. सो एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बेटर वे. ओके, आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल. 3x square, one algebraic or one term, minus 4x square, then 3x square. The question is add them. So we need to add. So first write as it is, and we know that addition means we need to write plus. When two signs come at a time, we put bracket. Then here 3x square. This is the first step. Then next step, open the bracket. We know that again BODMAS. First open the bracket. Plus into minus minus. Then plus 3x square. Now see the terms, all are like terms. Here x square, here x square, here x square. I told you that we don't worry about the coefficient, just we worry about the terms, whether they are like or unlike. If they are like, then just add the coefficients wherever necessary and subtract wherever the signs are there. Here 3 plus 3, 6x square. Then minus 4x square. Then 6 minus 4, subtraction is there, 2x square. I told you that keep the powers as it is. X square is there, don't subtract like 2 minus 2, 0, and don't add like 2 plus 2, 4. We cannot add the powers, we just keep power as it is and add and subtract the coefficients. So I hope you understood this. This is very simple example. Second example, so I will take some algebraic expressions. 3x square y minus 4y cube plus 3xy. One algebraic expression, and another one minus 4xy, then minus 3x square y, then plus 3y cube minus 100. So these two algebraic expressions are there. Now we have to add these two. Add. So we know that while adding we have to put plus sign in between the two algebraic expressions. Okay. Then so first one's here 3x square y minus 4y cube plus 3xy. This is first algebraic expression. In between we have to put bracket plus. Then here minus is there, minus 4xy minus 3x square y plus 3y cube minus 100 as it is. Now identify like terms. See, while adding and subtracting, we need to identify like terms. Here x square y is there, one more any x square y, here one more x square y is there. Okay. Now what will happen here? Plus 3x square y minus 3x square y. 3 minus 3 0. So we can cancel out these two. Okay. Cancel these two. Now one more here y cube is there, minus 4y cube. So now any y cube, 3y cube is there. These two are like terms. So first you write these two, minus 4y cube plus 3y cube. Next 3xy and here minus 4xy is there, plus 3xy, you can write plus into minus, minus 4xy. These two are like terms, right now these two are like terms. Then any other terms? No, here minus 100 is there, it is constant, there is no other constant, keep this as it is. This is the step. So now minus 4 plus 3, what will happen? Minus 1, because subtraction is there and bigger number sign minus is there. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1, minus 1y cube. 3xy minus 4xy, minus, again see 3 minus 4, minus 1, minus xy. Then here minus 100. So here these are all unlike terms, keep as it is. This is the final answer, we cannot do anything this. So dear students, I will take one more example on subtraction. So third example on subtraction. Take one algebraic expression here, like I will take one example, x square minus 3xy, y cube minus 4. So then here subtract, the question is subtract from 3 minus 4xy plus y cube minus 2x square plus y cube, y raised to 4. See, question is subtract this algebraic expression, we can say polynomial, from this polynomial. So whenever from is there, remember first we have to write this polynomial. So first write this 3 minus 4xy plus y cube minus 2x square plus y raised to 4. Then subtract is there, so minus, then put the bracket. Whenever minus will come, you have to put the bracket. Inside the bracket we have to write this first polynomial, x square minus 3xy plus y cube minus 4. Now open the bracket. First we have to open the bracket, BODMAS, again bracket open. So here first you write in standard form, we'll write, or else keep as it is, we'll write afterwards 3 minus 4xy plus y cube minus 2x square plus y raised to 4 minus x square plus 3xy minus y cube plus 4. Okay, done now. So bracket is opened here. While opening the bracket, remember, see, I multiplied this minus inside the bracket. Here minus into plus, minus. Then here minus into minus, plus. Then here again minus into plus, minus. Then minus into minus, plus. All signs inside the bracket will be changed to the opposite sign. Plus is there, it becomes minus. Minus is there, it becomes plus. Plus is there, becomes minus. And here minus becomes plus. Okay, now identify like terms. First here constant is there. Is there any other constant? Yes, another constant is there here. 3 plus 4. You can see, because here plus 3 and here plus 4. We need to add the things and you will get the answer 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Then here minus 4xy. Is there any other xy? Yes, plus 3xy. Minus 4 plus 3. I told you, no, we need to add or subtract coefficients, not variables. Keep the variables as it is and add or subtract coefficients here. Minus 4 and here plus 3 is there. Then what will happen? Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Minus 1 xy. No need to write 1. Directly you can write minus xy. Then y cube. Is there any other y cube? Minus y cube is there, so cancelled. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 y cube means 0 only. Then minus 2x square. Here minus 2x square and here minus x square. Minus 2 and here minus 1. It becomes minus 3. minus 2 here, minus 1 is there, minus 3 x square. Then here y raised to 4, is there any y raised to 4? No, it is only 1 y raised to 4. Keep this as it is, y raised to 4. So this is the answer, final answer. Or else you can write in standard form. Standard form means always in descending order. Descending order, the power, highest powers to lowest power. This is first y raised to 4 minus 3 x square minus xy plus 7. So this is the answer. So I hope all students understood. Then now I will give some homework to solve the problems. My dear students, so these are the homework questions. Observe carefully. 5 questions are given and understand the question. Simplify the following by combining like terms and then write whether the expression is monomial or binomial or a trinomial. Here 5 questions are given. First you have to simplify, means add or subtract by combining like terms. Then after getting the answer, you just mention whether it is monomial, binomial or trinomial. Very simple question. So then you understood this question right now. Then I will go for the second question. This is the second question. Add the following. Here two expressions are given, algebraic expressions are given. In between and is given. So that means first you have to write two expressions and in between you have to put plus sign because add is there. So these are the questions A to J, and in between some fractions are also given. So little bit complicated examples are also given. So pause the video wherever you not understood the question and write down the question carefully and solve one by one. See, this is third question. This is based on subtraction. Total 10 questions are given here. Subtract first polynomial or algebraic expression from second polynomial. See here, from is there, in between two algebraic expression from is there. So and subtract, question is subtract. So first you have to write the first second algebraic expression, then minus sign second algebraic expression. So I hope students you understood this. So you just refer my video for this type of questions, and first you write all these questions on notebook and solve one by one. Some decimal numbers are also given here, okay, and some bracket questions are also given. So go carefully and solve all the questions. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.